And we want to welcome all of you from all around the world. And yeah, thank you for supporting us. So today we're making, drum roll please, Cuban Breadsticks. They're crackers, but they look kind of different. Do you know why?
Though in shapes. But I'm sure you guys would love this amazing Cuban recipe.
Yep.
So now,
The kitchen rules. Now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your hands clean, have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is Happy Valentine's Day! Thank you.
sorry, I was late.
Okay, let's see. Oh, squishy!
Ooh, happy Valentine's, guys.
Thank you, Mama. Ooh,
Love
unicorn.
you.
Why are you eating? Okay, so let's try that again. The most important rule of the kitchen is septimus. Bam! So now let's get cooking. And these are the ingredients. We're gonna need flour, salt, water,
Tomato
sauce,
sauce, garlic, 10 garlics.
Well, they're 10 because they're small, but
Smaller.
if you have like big ones, just use 6 to 7.
Yeah.
And 4 tablespoons
Of
of
lard.
lard
You can substitute
Substitute
for
for
oil.
or butter. And then,
Cornmeal.
yep.
Okay, so let's.
Get to it. So now we're gonna make our palitroques. So Ian is going to be,
Sifting our flour.
and I'm
What do you mean shifting? You're gonna move it from one place to another?
like
Like,
Yeah, you're gonna sift it because
it's
we
gonna
don't
go
want
into
it
the
like
bowl.
it's gonna be like more thinner. We don't want it like
ah.
that chunk.
And what are you gonna do, lady?
We're gonna put the garlic and our salt in. What was this called again?
Machaca.
Machaca. Machaca, laka, 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 laka. Mortar de pestle.
Morta.
Mortar pestle.
Okay.
I don't know. But we're gonna put our garlic and our salt. And we have to make it like a paste.
That is nice. And Ian is shifting. Okay.
So my paste is done. So I'm gonna add my tomato paste.
No, that's sauce.
Oh wait, tomato sauce and my water. So I'm gonna add my tomato sauce.
And I'm gonna add my lard.
So what are you gonna do now, baby?
Now we're gonna smush it. Not smush it, we're gonna mix it.
Okay, Ian, what are you gonna do now, baby boy?
I'm gonna add my lard.
Okay.
Pork lard.
Lard.
Pour it into my.
So Ian is gonna incorporate all of the lard into the flour, and then I'm gonna pour my tomato sauce and garlic into there.
I think you can put it in there. Is the mix already, Ian?
Wait.
Okay. Let's see. It looks good. So now we're gonna pour everything from there here.
And then keep on mixing it.
Yes.
Can I get a scoop?
Do you need help?
Yes.
Okay.
So our mom poured our paste into our flour and lard. So now I'm just gonna mix it again.
Why did the cat cross the road?
I don't know. Why?
Well, Mama, do you know? Why the cat crossed the road?
Because he needed to get to the other side?
No. Wait, I know. Because it didn't have any more milk.
No, because he went shopping.
A cat that likes to go shopping.
Why are cats such a good bakers?
Because they like to eat sweets.
No, because they make everything from scratch.
Scratch.
Okay, so my dough is formed, so now I'm gonna put it on the.
Remove everything from there.
We're going to put it on the counter and keep playing with it until...
So we can be able to make a ball.
Yep.
And our oven is ready. So you need to turn on, make a ball, baby. Make a ball, there you go. So we're gonna heat up our oven at 350 degrees. And right now, since Ian is still playing with the dough, we're gonna show you what to do next.
So we're ready. And now we're gonna make basically our last step to make the palitroques.
Okay.
We're gonna roll it out like this.
Ian just wants to cut it out.
He's just like, let me cut. As a pizzeria. And you're gonna cut it into small pieces. Then, so now you're gonna get one little strip, and you're gonna roll it out. You can roll it out super long or kind of short. So now you're gonna have it like this. Make sure you don't make the edges pointy. So you're just gonna put it like this, or you can cut it in half. We're making some long, like that. Mine's kind of long. And you're gonna roll it up in a ball when you do it, because then you're gonna have the pointed edges. You can use your 2 fingers if you want. I mean your 2 fingers or 4 fingers.
You mean your 2 hands?
I'm like, you can use your 2 hands.
So the point is that they need to be long.
Yeah. Basically.
And the size, it all depends on you.
You can make them short or long.
Yes. Okay, just have fun, right?
Mm-hmm. So now we're gonna cover
We're just gonna sprinkle a little, not really cover.
We're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of our cornmeal onto our bowl. Okay, guys, so we're gonna make them from 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees. We're back, and our palitroques were ready in 30 minutes. And
Yes, we have a new oven, and we left some for a little bit longer, and they started burning.
Yeah.
So make sure you start checking them at 20 minutes, because we have a different oven, so we're really adjusting ourselves to that one.
Yeah.
But I think they're amazing. And we did some fresh guacamole.
Yep.
And you can eat them however you want them.
With ketchup, with guacamole.
Oh, my kids love them with ketchup.
Yeah.
And what?
I like them with guacamole.
So now.
Let's taste them.
Mmm, so crunchy.
Okay, guys, thank you for all of your support. And we want to bring part of our world into your kitchen.
So.
Bye! Make sure you subscribe, give a big thumbs up, and ring the bell. Ding! I hope you put a smile on your face. Bye!
And we hope you like
This amazing Cuban. Well,
Palitroques.
Bye.